Have you ever opened your CorelDraw and noticed that by the time you open it, you get an error message telling you that your trial has expired, or in one way or the other, you try to open your CorelDraw and notice that it refuses to open? This error can easily be fixed. In most cases, most people, what they usually do is to uninstall the CorelDraw program and reinstall it again. In this particular tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix that particular problem without even uninstalling your CorelDraw from your system. And this trick can be applied to any version of CorelDraw. Now, without further waste of time, just stick around. I'm going to walk you through all the whole step on how to fix this particular problem. Hello guys, you're welcome. This is Kingsley from Bless channel. In case you just joining me for the first time, please ensure you subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new video, or so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload content like this. Now, once you are getting an error like the ones I just mentioned, what you're going to do is to just come to your Windows, hold down your window key or your keyboard. Just hold down the window key and press Alt on your keyboard. It's going to bring out the run dialog for you. So now from here, I'm going to on this side, I'm going to input something. Just what you're going to do is to type in %app data, just enter it on the run dashboard, and what you're going to do now is to click on enter. Once you click on enter, it's going to open up the app data folder for you. Now, once this place is open, the next thing you're going to do to solve this particular problem is just one thing. You can see from this app data, you can see all my program files have been installed. This is where they are being, like the backup of everything work I'm doing. This is where they are being stored. So now you can see that all this place, this is where all the whole registry for all my CorelDraw file is. So now what you should do now, if you encounter all this kind of problem, you can see I'm actually in this particular folder. I'm having two versions of CorelDraw here. I'm having 19 and I'm also having 20. So now if I was probably having that issue for CorelDraw 20, by the time I open this place, I'm going to come to this place and delete the whole CorelDraw 20 out of this particular section. If it were to be the CorelDraw 19, I'm going to delete that of the CorelDraw 19 out. So, or better still, what you're going to do is to click on here and just delete it out from your system. Once you delete this particular folder out from your system, don't worry about it. By the time you open your CorelDraw again, it's going to recreate itself again. So, but by this time now, all the backup of your registry will be deleted. Now, it's like now opening a very new file, just as if you installed the CorelDraw new. So, by doing this now, you have been able to fix that particular error which it was throwing. So now, if you are having this particular issue, by just doing this, deleting this particular file is going to get your CorelDraw working normal. This process can actually be applied to any kind of software you are working with. Perhaps any software that is actually giving that was working normally and later on decided to give you some other problem. You can apply this same method to that. It's going to fix that error for you. If you're still watching this video and you have not yet considered subscribing to my channel, please hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new videos. I hope you've learned from this particular tutorial. I wanted to give this video a like if this have actually solved your problem, and if you have any video idea you want me to work on or any difficulty anywhere, you can actually drop in the comment box below. I'm going to try my best to see how to respond. If you're watching from my website, you can also drop your comment in the comment box below. Until next time, bye for now.